Are sleepless nights leaving you exhausted? Do you find it hard to unwind after a long day? You're not alone. Introducing Easy Night, our all-natural sleep support formulated with a unique blend of powerful ingredients to help you relax and reclaim your nights. Sleep deprivation is a primary threat to health, contributing to both short-term issues like chronic fatigue, reduced work performance, obesity, diabetes, and depression, as well as long-term problems such as cancer, Parkinson's disease, and dementia. Easy Night comprehensively addresses the multifaceted causes of various sleep disorders and contains only natural ingredients that may help improve the quality of sleep. Do you know that Damiana and passion flower have calming properties? It is known for its ability to soothe the mind and body, easing you into a peaceful state. Lemon balm adds an extra layer of tranquility, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety, while 5-HTP works to boost serotonin levels, helping you feel good and sleep better. And let's not forget about valerian and GABA, two powerful ingredients that naturally support restful sleep by calming the nervous system. Finally, L-theanine rounds out our formula, promoting relaxation without drowsiness so you can drift off peacefully and wake up refreshed. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to rejuvenating sleep.